we've shown you the exterior of this truck. Now we're going to let you see the interior. This is the only interior option on the F-150 Limited. It's the Admiral Blue. You can see here on the console, it's got the Limited badge with the VIN number. It even shows you the production run number. It's truck 118. In the center stack here, you can see the new 12-inch screen. So this is super interactive. It gives you all the information. You can control everything on your truck from right here, more so than previous years. I think it's really, really nice. You can see the new quilted interior is just absolutely top tier. I've never seen the diamond stitching like this before. I'll correct myself. I've never seen Ford do that. So I really like that. You can see the Limited badge, the two-tone genuine leather interior, super soft. It's really impressive. I like it a lot. All new gauge clusters, all new everything. This 2021's got it all. You can see the 360-degree camera here on this 12-inch screen is really robust. Not only can you see 360 degrees, but it'll also show behind you as well. If you want to zoom in on the left rear or the back of your truck, you can do that just by toggling the screen here. You can even toggle kind of in the front of your truck, and it'll actually show tire tracks as to like where your truck is actually tracking. Which is pretty interesting. That's something new for 2021. Ford sure has made this 360 camera much more robust than it has been in years past. You can see our gear shifter here that folds down into the console. The reason this gear shifter folds down into the console is because this truck has the optional workstation, right? So that workstation, whenever I turn this shifter down, I can flip this console over, pull out my MacBook, log into the truck's Wi-Fi, and get to work. I think a lot of people are really going to like that. We got a wireless charger here in the bottom with a USB port, a USB Type-C port as well, along with a little kind of cup holder to sit your phone if you like to do it like that. You can see we've got heated and cooled seats. We've got nice brushed aluminum looking finished knobs. We've got dual climate control. It's pretty nice. You can see over on the left here, you've got adaptive cruise control. You've also got the lane departure option as well. And then also on the bottom there, you can see where you hit that talk button. That will actually let you communicate with your truck, tell it what to do. The lane departure and the adaptive cruise control is really nice, and they've really updated it. You can see the new gauge cluster here is completely LED. There's no analog gauges. You can see in the back here, you can flip these seats up by pulling here. There's storage down below. These seats flip up. You can store whatever you want under there, and these seats are actually lockable as well. So if you pull out your key fob, there's a key in it, and you can actually fold it down and lock it. So I think that's pretty cool. They've been doing that for a while. I don't think it'd keep any real thief out, but it'd keep somebody honest out, I guess. Yeah, so this is the new 2021 F-150 Limited interior video. Stay tuned. We'll have some more stuff coming your way. See that? Electric driving. We're in the 2021 PowerBoost, and this truck is riding on electricity right now. Solely electricity. You can see over here on the left, 0 RPMs. It's a wild world we're living in. We're going to run down the road, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what I think about this PowerBoost. This is only the second one we've gotten. This is obviously the most kitted out one. This is a limited. You can see the engine kicked on. There goes one of my customers right there. So this is the PowerBoost, and this PowerBoost is interesting. This motor makes a lot of torque. I'm really impressed with how quiet it is, even when the gasoline engine is on. I really think it's interesting. You can see all your information here when your engine's running. It tells you why it's running. Our heater settings and our drive power. Now when I come over this ridge, I'm gonna let off on this gas, and I bet it kicks us back over into the hybrid or an electric side. It's still figuring it out. I've noticed that when you apply your brakes, it tends to kick you into EV mode or whatever mode you want to call that. So now I've applied my brakes a little bit. I'm doing 16 miles an hour. You can see we're in all electric mode. Absolutely silent. Now, one thing that I've noticed about these trucks, and really the newest hybrids in general, they have an ambient noise that they emit to let pedestrians know that you're coming, right? So when I put this truck in reverse, it makes like a tone that you can actually hear. And I'll put it in reverse real quick and see if you can hear it. I don't think I can turn it up. No, it's hard to hear. It might not show up on the video. Hear all these. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but this is the example. It's interesting stuff. I've learned a lot about these in the past couple of days. I always tell people the best way to figure out about these new vehicles is to just drive them. And luckily, I'm always able to drive these and kind of give some people some in-depth information as to exactly what they're doing. So, a couple of things. You can't put these in just EV mode like you can the plug-in energy. It's a mixture of both. The truck decides when it's going to go into EV and when it's going to be on gasoline. So you don't have really any control there. It's got the Eco Coach, so it will actually kind of show you how you're doing. You can get that on the regular trucks as well, the ones that are not the PowerBoost. But you can see here, this motor's charging our battery. We've got our gas engine on right now. I'm gonna get up to speed. So I'm gonna get it up to 50 miles an hour, and then we're gonna let off and see what it does. All right, so I have let off, and I'm still in fuel mode. As you can see, it says engine on due to normal operation. So we're kind of in uncharted territory here. I like these PowerBoosts. I think they're slick. This one's got the 7.2 kilowatt generator. We're going to do another in-depth video about that. Let you know some of the kind of features and the quirks and how everything works. So this truck's here and available. If you guys want to give us a holler, we'll be glad to answer any questions, whether it's about the 2021s, whether it's the PowerBoost or the limited trim level. We've got all the information you need, so just give us a buzz. We'll be glad to help.